Welcome, folks. It's a new day for the Cannes Film Festival with a new movie premieres, one of the film that has already premiered and garnered loud applause from the audience at the end of its screening. It's I, the Executioner, the South Korean film directed by action legend Ryu Seung-wan, received a 10-minute standing ovation. How cool is that? Some of the most anticipated films this year, such as Megalopolis and O Canada, were unable to receive the level of appreciation that this film achieved. You'll be amazed to know that the cast of I Executioner is composed of some of your favorite actors. This film might also be a threat to the K-drama fans out there. Do you remember a K-drama? The Unzero Waves 2021? A heart-warming yet tragic history of 1987, where a university student falls in love with a soldier? You almost have guessed it by now. It's a television series Snowdrop. The famous lead actor of the series, Yoon Ra-hin, also stars in I, the Executioner. Let's be honest, the film popularity it's reaching heights and is one of the reasons it's definitely this amazing actor. The star cast of 2024 Cannes nominated films is exceptional. It has many veteran South Korean actors: Hwang Young-min, Oh Del-soo, Lim Seum-soo, and Dia Wan-ho. Speaking of veteran actors, I was reminded of something very important. Did you know that I, Executioner is a sequel to a blockbuster South Korean film? Yes, the 2015 film called Veteran broke all records in its home country, becoming the fifth highest grossing film in the history of South Korean cinema. The original cast of Veteran has returned with the sequel, and the sequel became such an exceptional film that it got selected for the official kidnapping screening at Cannes 2024. Kudos to filmmaker Ryu Seung-wan for breaking records. The detective action thriller film received such a positive response that the director Ryu and actor Yoon-ha got emotional. Their emotion for the film depict their hard work. Great South Korean film like Parasite and Minari have already created their legacy at Cannes. Will I, the Executioner, be able to follow in their footsteps? We'll find out with the results of the Cannes Film Festival this year. Please drop your comments on your favorite actor and I, the Executioner, and what are your views on the film. Thank you for watching.